Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. This is Teresa, and I wanted to share with you today my winnings from Sunita Makes Crocheted Items. I will link her link in the description. And in this nice organza bag, I got 3 skeins of Red Heart Soft Essentials. I don't know if you could see him, but he's trying to get up. Come on. I move the camera, he comes back up. Come on. You hear him? He's ever so silently crying. There we go. There he is. Hello, Jack. Say hello. My dirty face, I need a haircut. Say Jack, Jack. Hi. He wanted to see what Sunita was kind enough to send. Red Heart Soft Essentials Stripes, 110 yards. Sorry for the disturbance. Now that one wants to start. I'm sorry, this is the 5th time and I'm letting it in because I can do 17,000 things and get this right and they'll still have something to say about it because that's who they are. Maritime Stripe, bulky 5, 6.5 millimeter hook. It's really soft. Let me see, is it acrylic? Red Heart, made in Turkey. King. Yeah. Acrylic. Yay. Machine washable and dryable. See reverse. Well, it says it right there. Thank you for coming by Yarn Again. I'll see you next time.